How to add Omny card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app on your device, you can head towards the App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet. Once app appears, install it. Once completion of installation process, launch this app, you'll land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you can find this plus icon. Click on it. With that, different available card options will pop up. Go ahead and select the option of travel card. Just click on it. Once you click on it, over here you will find the search box, and over there you have to type in Omny. With that, Omny card will appear. You have to click on it and provide your card details. In the case it doesn't appear like mine, that means this card is not available in your region. At the moment, this card option is only available for the few regions. So if you cannot find the option of Omny over here, that means this card option is not available yet in your region. But if you find the option of Omny, just click on it and provide your card details. With that, your card details will be updated. Well, this is how you can easily add Omny card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.